50 breaststroke. Clash of the Titans. Sun Win and John Millett. Some guy in between them. Here they come. They're coming down the pool. Sun Win having the meet of his life. John Millett getting back in the pool after a sustained illness. Alright, nice underwater, John. Here they come. Coming right down to it. Looking good, John. Ride that wave in. Oh, fist pump number 3 of the day for Sun Win. The big board, can't read the big board from here, has Sun Win with 29.41. Millett with a 30.45.